Okay, so you're probably wondering why it says love across my cam. Well, it's because I got a new boyfriend. Yeah, Justin, and I don't think I should say his last name, but just let's start over. Really not. Okay, sorry about that. My internet walked in. Anyways, so yeah, I got a new boyfriend. Yay! It's really helping because I finally got over Luke, which was my ex-boyfriend, which he's freaky. No, okay, he's not freaky. He's just plain out a freak. But now that we're over with the love thing, we're gonna take that off. Now we can talk about I love games. It's amazing what it's
just wanna touch you for a minute. Maybe 3 seconds is enough for my heart to quit. So fun, this beat is sick. I wanna take a ride on a disco stick. Don't think too much, just bust that stick. I wanna take a ride on a disco stick. Let's play a love game, play a love game. Do you want love, or you want fame, or you want the game? Don't a love game. Let's play a love game, play a love game. Do you want love, or you want fame, or you win the game? Don't a love game.
I can't get it, so I was leading on a love game. But, let's talk about Shane Dawson. Yeah, he says like this, for unsubscribing your friend. That is a horrible idea. Why would you do that? And I agree with him 100% on that. They're just mad because of million subscribers. Why wouldn't he? He has like awesome videos, and it's funny. I was just watching the Friday videos with my cousin Adrian. Yeah, he deserved that. You guys are just jealous, and whoever started that, please write me a message because I really want to know who that is. I'll take care of it. But anyways, let's go through the rainbow. Well, I'm talking to you guys. There's no orange shoe, yeah. Anyways, and I mean, it's so freaking gay and retarded because they're so like, they're jealous of that. But anyways, back to Shane Dawson. It's kind of cute. Anyways, and he also talked about the birds and the bees, which is like so funny. I really had no choice. I just got a book. My dad's just like, my mom was dead. Well, his dad, I mean, this was a while ago. My dad's just like, here, read this. And it said, God, what's happening to me? I'd be like, oh, what's going on? And so later, I ended up getting broads and brows and other stuff here. You know what I mean? Anyways, let's keep it blue. I like blue. Yeah. That is just, I do not know, a very interesting thing. So, yeah, and, ooh! Picture, I can put pictures up here. Sweet. Okay, that's neat. Yeah, very neat. Who want to put up here? Someone's pretty and interesting to look at. You guys say like Kim Kardashian? Your mom's like, yes. No. No. You're putting this up, yay. Hey, gorgeous. Yeah, that's me. No, it's not. Who knows? Maybe it is me. Anyways, I'm put more up there, so yay. I'll put a pretty Ashley Tisdale picture up there for you guys. There's another one. She dyed her hair brown. It's horrifying. Anyways, so what's up with you guys? Now, guys, I'll put a Kim Kardashian up one for you guys. Happy? Yeah. And one more, maybe a couple more. What else do I want to put up here? Ooh, yeah. We love her. Some of us hate her, but we all love her. Miley Cyrus. So I'm gonna play this back. Yeah, let's do it. Anyways, and that is a very big thing for Shane and the birds of Reed. And I think we all experienced it a very different way. I know I did. I got it from a book. It was very, very, very weird. But also, so I experienced it. I don't know how you guys experienced it, so you can message me, comment, rate, subscribe, masturbate. No, do not masturbate. Dude, one time I went to the bathroom, and guess what I saw? 2 ants masturbating. They were on top of each other, rolling around. That was scary. If it wasn't scary enough, there were 3 ants there. Yeah, scary. But here's a question to do. What I want you to do is go out and make a Shane Dawson video, or help me with my little thing, and to get Shane Dawson to give shanaynay her own YouTube channel. So yay, shanaynay. I like so much shanaynay. Also, don't forget to subscribe. You don't have to, but if you want to, if you guys think my videos are funny. By the way, this is vlog 3. That is so amazing. Oh my gosh, pretty there. When I get to vlog like 50, I will be so happy. Or for a party or something. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.